So we're getting close to dinner time, and today for dinner rotisserie chicken, hens, 2 small hens. My fire going on. I already pre-marinate them, spicing them. So I'm waiting for coils, heat, Mississippi 1, 2, 3, and good to go. Now it's too hot. Getting closer, getting closer. Now it's not easy process to go through all my chickens. Alright, and from this side another brick. Tap it down, and everything goes in fire. Okay, let's turn it on. Alright, it's working. So it could take me approximately 50 minutes. Then I will unwrap from foil and make final cook like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So it's been approximately an hour. Now next step to unwrap it. Let me turn it off. Not easy. Ha ha ha. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Okay, back on fire. Okay, sewer motor back on. Looks good. Rotisserie chicken, hens, 2 chickens, 2 hens, whatever. Solo camping, adventure. Please subscribe, thumb up, and please support my channel. potatoes and some veggies. My dinner for tonight. Rotisserie chicken. And some wine. Cheers, my friend. Alright, all done. Turn water off. Take it out. Whoa. Hot, hot, hot. Whoops. Alright. What do you say? Is it edible? Smells good. I hope it tastes good too. Ah, hot. Yummy. Let's eat. Rotisserie dinner served. Rotisserie ham, chicken, some potatoes, some veggies, mayo, and of course wine. Cheers, my friends, my subscribers. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. Thumbs up, please support my channel. Let's see. Heaven. It's real heaven.